this recording will be of any thing to
any
share.
use to anybody.
Anyway,
yeah, sure,
yeah.
sure.
Yes, shipwreck
So
can record.
I'll keep on
Yeah, you
telling.
can keep recording, no problem.
Yeah, I'll keep on recording, and if there's any question, I'll keep on prompting you the question.
Perfectly,
Okay.
perfectly. Thanks.
All right.
Okay, so welcome to this new technique in yoga, and I'm sure it will give you higher benefits, and how is what we will understand. Now, how many of you are interested in new technique? Write new in the chat box. Yes, okay. I hear only one person is interested in the new. There are more new coming. New. Santosh says yes. Yes, for new. Okay. Very well. Thank you so much. So the newness of the technique is what I will show you. And I've also said one more thing, that you will gain higher benefits in yoga. You have your own idea of what is higher benefits. So if you're really here for the higher benefits, let us see high in the chat box, or higher as you like it. Let's see how many of you are here for higher benefits of yoga. किसी को कुछ योग में से जो कुछ मिल रहा है उससे जो हायर योगा है, वैसे जो ऑलरेडी अष्टांग योग को जानते हैं तो बहिरंग और अंतरंग योग जानते हैं, तो किसको अंतरंग योग तक भी जाना है, प्राणायाम अच्छे से करना है, प्रत्याहार अच्छे से करना है. वेरी गुड. सो मेनी आर हियर फॉर हायर योगा आल्सो. Excellent. So then, welcome all of you. This is Suchitra Parekh, your host for today, the yoga educator who is going to take you through this secret new technique. You will learn an innovative technique over here, which is for practicing yoga and gaining higher benefits in yoga. Let me tell you, I have been talking about this for at least 15 years. And a lot of people I have shared this with, there are a few who have learned it with me on an informal basis, maybe sometimes one-to-one for some particular aspect of yoga. But as a full-fledged yoga technique for getting better benefits, higher benefits of yoga to all, I'm sharing it for the first time in the world. And I have checked with so many others, and I have found that nobody has this kind of a technique for higher benefits of yoga. So you are into a secret. You're going to get into a secret of yoga today. Okay. First, I will have to get into the secret of this technology. Why am I doing this? Because I have a mission of making at least 1,000 yoga teachers learn this innovative technique in the next 5 years in such a way that they are master in it. And therefore, be able to influence 5 lakh of people in the next 5 years who will be using this technique of yoga. And therefore, the real yoga, many of us yoga teachers have this complaint that people don't know what real yoga is, and they only teach asana in the name of yoga. So you will find the actual yoga will go across with this easy to use technique. It is going to add value to your life, because yoga in any case adds value to your life, right? So you'll know the secret of this new technique, and you will be the only one who will learn it. Learn to use it in the way that I'm going to show you. This technique you might have seen with quite some others. 10-15 years ago when I learned it, it was hardly known. But now there are some people who use it, but for a very different purpose, not for yoga. For the first time, you teachers of yoga will have something unique. It can become unique thing for your classes that you are teaching, the students that you are grooming. So get ready for this experience, because you're actually going to do it and experience it, the change in yourself. So first you have to do that, and when you share some things that are easily done, you become a lovable teacher, right? So that's what it is. Sorry. Very briefly, I'll share with you my journey as to how this has helped me, or yoga has helped me, and the true kind of yoga has helped me. What happened with me was I was always a born teacher. I used to love to teach, even as a child. I would learn by teaching my friends in the class. But as a school teacher that I did my B.Ed and taught, I was only teaching knowledge and skill. And my way of making sure that work is done was my anger. I used it very positively. I had lots of it. I was very temperamental. And obviously, getting angry at children would make them fearful. But that would make them work. And I thought it was perfectly fine if children can work. And I became a strict disciplinarian, but obviously externally imposed discipline. Now, this is only when I joined yoga at a later age. I realized that I am going against all the yamas. You all know about the yamas in yoga? How many of you know about yamas and niyamas in yoga? Type Y and N in the chat box if you are aware what are these yamas and niyamas. At least aware, you've heard of it. Sometime. Yamas and niyama. Yes, Y and N. Very good. So many of them, Y and N. Okay, Naresh, Kavita, Rahul, Rupinder. Priya says yes. Ashok Nagpal. Very well, very well. So there are quite a few who know about what these yamas and niyamas are. Others will learn it in the course. So these yamas and niyamas, they are known to, yoga teachers will definitely know it. But what they do about it is they only give a lecture about it. Yes, so that's what will be different with all of you who join here. And I realize the 5 yamas are, just for those who don't know, Ahimsa, Satya, Asteya, Brahmacharya, Aparigraha. Ahimsa is non-violence, Satya is truthfulness, Brahmacharya is control of senses, sensory stimulation, Aparigraha is non-greed and non-stealing, and non-greed is the last one. So like this, these 5 yamas. And niyamas are hygiene, saucha, santosha, contentment. Tapa is fortitude, facing challenges. Svadhyaya is self-study, knowing yourself. And Ishwar Pranidhan, surrender to the higher reality. So these are the things that I was going against. Then, when I learned all this, this is what happened to me. Okay. All that anger and fear that I was instilling from those of, there are some of them, I know they have known me from that many times, that many years, and they know how temperamental I was. And they continue to know me now. So they know that how much less it has become now. I'm able to have same effect without that anger. I'm able to empathize with people, which I was not able to do then. The external disciplining that I was imposing, I now know that I have to bring about an inner change in the people for them to be able to instill discipline in them. In addition, I have learned a very good way of managing emotions. In yoga, yamas and niyamas that I just asked you about are for emotional management. Means Patanjali gave us Ashtanga Yoga to begin with emotional management first. And this is exactly what I'm here to offer you. How to bring about this emotional management. To understand that, one simple fact I want to bring it to your notice to let you know that we exercise our knowledge, we do learn, and we live life with 3 levels of awareness. Awareness of the head, means all the thinking, knowledge, etc. So I'm going to tell you about that, the 3 H's, what they are. I will also make you experience the technique that I'm talking about. The secret will be revealed to you. I will also help you understand how this technique works with one of the yamas, and how all this, why I'm doing, because I am very, very sure, because my preceptor, Dr. Jaydev, his guru, Sri Yogendra Ji, said this emotional quotient is the foundation of yoga. So Yama Niyama, those of you who want to just recall, here are the 10 of them, their English name as well as the Sanskrit names. Yes, and I just told you about them also. Before we understand the three H's, let me bring to your notice. You've all seen a mirror. We every day see it, and we all know that the left, our left, appears as right in the mirror, correct? And if I ask you, can you act as a mirror? So just imagine that you are a mirror and you have to act as a mirror, and a child is there playing in front of you. So if the child is raising one hand, or बच्चे गुलाटी खाते रहते हैं, डांस करते रहते हैं, इधर उधर कोई चीज उतार रहे हैं, रख रहे हैं, उठा रहे हैं, just imagine, will you be able to imitate as the mirror? When I have done this exercise in actual 6-year-old to 80 years old, they've all agreed that yes, they can do it. But when they actually start doing it, and I point out also to them, they'll say, that person is using left, I'm also using left. The mirror will argue. And then I say, but you are a mirror. Will the mirror use left if the other person is using left? No, the mirror will use right. And then one feels, oh yeah, I knew, but in doing it, I couldn't do it. It slipped. Yes, that is the connection between the head and the hand. The two H's. The third is kind of totally forgotten. Why did this happen? Why was the connection from the head to the hand not happening? Because this heart had taken over. Heart felt कि नहीं, left का तो left ही होना चाहिए. Heart has its own way. The head represents the knowledge, understanding, thinking. Hand represents the action, skill, behavior, and speaking. And the heart represents your emotions and feeling. We are educated for the head. We are educated for the hand. हमारा हाथ यहाँ वहाँ कुछ भी नहीं करता ना, हमारा कहना मान के करता है ना. लेकिन हार्ट का क्या? फीलिंग्स एंड इमोशन आ जाती है, गुस्सा आ जाता है, हम लाते आता ही नहीं, क्योंकि we have not educated our heart, we have not trained it, और यानी कि वो जंगली है, head और hand cultured है, civilized है. What about the heart? क्योंकि हम दिल से ही सोचते हैं, दिल से ही करते हैं, सब जानकारी होते हुए भी हम उसको कर नहीं पाते हैं, because the heart is not in tune. The three have to be integrated. They have to be in sync with each other. They are interdependent. क्या होता है, कुत्ता बिल्ली भी यदि जंगली है तो हमें उसका डर लगता है, और शेर भी यदि पालतू है तो हम उसको पैक कर सकते हैं, करेक्ट? तो हमें इस हार्ट को भी समझाना है. इसलिए पतंजलि ने 5000 साल पहले योग सूत्र लिखे हैं, उसमें उसने इमोशनल मैनेजमेंट सबसे पहले किया है. इमोशंस सबसे ज्यादा उभर कर आते हैं हमारे रिलेशनशिप में. बातें बहुत हो गई, अभी थोड़ा कुछ करते हैं. चलो, तो मैं एक बार ये स्लाइड शेयर बंद करती हूँ. डू यू वांट टू सी हाउ दिस टेक्निक वर्क्स फॉर यू? Yes, type yes in the chat box if you want to see how it works for you. यदि आपको नहीं देखना है तो फिर मैं क्यों दिखाऊं?
Chitra, you should only show if people want to see.
Very good.
Everybody wants to
चलो,
see.
शुरू करते हैं. Okay? तो अभी आपको बहुत सिंपल सा काम करना है. Do as I do and say as I say. ठीक है? Shipra, I'll request you to keep your video and audio on so that I get the rhythm. Okay? So,
would you like to somebody from the audience?
Somebody from the audience?
Anybody who's new to yoga, who's never done it before.
Okay, somebody who is new to yoga. Who would like to, will somebody want to volunteer to do as I do and say as I say?
And experience the benefit.
Let me see, somebody is saying there. Okay. is okay. Yogita, you want to do that? Very well.
Yes.
Okay, Yogita. Keep your audio and video unmuted and visible. Okay?
Okay.
So, एक चीज पहले बता दूं शुरू करने से पहले कि हम थोड़ा सा ब्रीदिंग और इमोशन के बारे में कनेक्शन जानते हैं ना. The breathing gets affected when our emotions are fluctuating. गुस्से में आपकी breathing कैसी हो जाती है? Right? Not very good and healthy. But if you have done meditation, etc., your breathing is very, very nice, smooth, long, and everything. So, if we find our breathing changes with this technique, you know that you can take help of this technique to change your emotional state. Is that right? And you can choose the positive emotion in place of not so desirable one. Okay. तो एक छोटा सा काम करते हैं. हमें देखना है ना हमारे लिए काम करती है कि नहीं. Just now आपकी जैसी ब्रीदिंग चल रही है उसको कंपेयर करो जो आपकी बेस्ट ब्रीदिंग है. बहुत अच्छे आप खुश हो या मेडिटेशन में हो उस समय वाली ब्रीदिंग को 10 पॉइंट्स दो. गिव 10 पॉइंट्स टू द ब्रेथ which is your best breath in your mind. Okay, so that is 10 point. Now compare it how the breathing is going on now. थोड़ा सा check करो एक 3 second and see how many marks you would give it. Is it 10 on 10, 9 on 10, 8 out of 10, 5 out of 10, 2 out of 10? जितना भी है आपका नंबर चैट में लिख दो. जितना भी मार्क्स आप अपनी ब्रीदिंग को अभी दे रहे हो वो चैट में लिख दो. 5 है, 6 है, 8 है, 10 है. वेरी गुड. कोमल has 10, सीमा 6, आरती 7, NS Rao 6, चित्रा 5, नरेश 5, अशोक 5, 7, संतोष 7, राहुल 7, अंकित 7. Okay, Neelu 6, Shweta 7, very good. Okay, in other words, एक जन की 10 on 10 है, लेकिन आप भी देखेंगे कि आपको शिफ्ट में अनुभव होगा. Just this would be the correct statement for all of you that I am not breathing very well. Okay, so this is the statement I want you to make along with me as I do it, and we'll do some tapping. इन दो उंगलियों से, tips of these two fingers. Tap. Yogita, let me see. Unmute yourself, Yogita. Yeah. Yogita, unmute yourself. Very well. Thank you. Okay, so do as I do and say as I say. Can you all see this? I will call this point as karate chop point. Now, you will repeat the sentence I'm making, but don't repeat the description of the point that I'm going to tell you. क्योंकि देखने में कभी ठीक से न दिखे, so I'm going to describe the point where I'm doing the tapping. Okay? So let's begin. Very good. Some people are still writing the numbers. Let's begin now. Let's do some work. Even though, repeat after me.
Even though
I'm not breathing very well.
I am not breathing very well.
I deeply and completely
I deeply and completely
love, forgive, and accept myself. Even though I'm not breathing very well.
I am not breathing very well.
I deeply and completely love, forgive, and accept myself. Even though I'm not breathing very well. I deeply and completely love, forgive, and accept myself. Tap the beginning of eyebrow point. Not breathing very well. Rhythmically tap and say not breathing very well. Now tap this point at the end of the eyes. Not breathing very well. Tap the point below the eyes. Not breathing very well. Tap this point below the nose. Not breathing very well. Tap this chin groove. Not breathing very well. Now, below the collarbone, these two bones jutting out on the collar, just below that. Not breathing very well. Yogita, you've unmuted yourself. Unmute yourself. Yeah. Say not breathing very well.
Not breathing well.
Yeah. Now tap below the armpits. This is armpit, so below both the sides. Not breathing very well.
Not breathing very well.
Yeah, very good. Now on the lower ribs. Not breathing very well. जहाँ पसलियां हैं ना नीचे वहाँ पर not breathing very well. Correct. Okay. Now next point is at the junction of nail and skin on the side of your thumb. Hold the hand in front of you. On the side of the thumb, junction of nail and skin with both these fingers. Yeah. Say not breathing very well.
Not breathing very well.
Thank you. Now again forefinger, not breathing very well. Similar point. Junction of nail and skin. Good. Now again middle finger, junction of nail and skin, not breathing very well.
Not breathing very well.
Yes. Now we'll skip the ring finger, go to the little finger. Not breathing very well.
Not breathing very well.
Come back to karate chop. Still, I deeply and completely.
Still, I deeply and completely.
Love.
Love.
Forgive.
Forgive.
And accept myself.
And accept myself.
I choose to.
I choose to.
Breathe slow.
Breathe slow.
Smooth.
Smooth.
And long.
And long.
And I deeply and completely.
And I deeply and completely.
Love.
Love.
Forgive.
Forgive.
And accept myself.
And accept myself.
I choose to breathe.
I choose to breathe.
Slow.
Slow.
Smooth.
Smooth.
And long.
And long.
And I deeply and completely.
And I deeply and completely.
Love.
Love.
Forgive.
Forgive.
And accept myself.
And accept myself.
I choose to breathe.
I choose to breathe.
Slow.
Slow.
Smooth.
Smooth.
And long.
And long.
And I deeply and completely.
And I deeply and completely.
Love.
Love.
Forgive.
Forgive.
And accept myself.
And accept myself.
Tap the beginning of eyebrow point. Slow breath.
Slow breath.
Eye end point, smooth breath.
Smooth breath.
Below the eyes, long breath.
Long breath.
Below the nose, slow breath.
Slow breath.
Chin groove, smooth breath.
Smooth breath.
Collarbone, long breath.
Long breath.
Below the armpit, slow breath.
Slow breath.
On the lower ribs, smooth breath.
Smooth breath.
Junction of nail and skin on the tongue, long breath.
Long breath.
Forefinger, slow breath.
Slow breath.
Middle finger, smooth breath.
Smooth breath.
Little finger, long breath.
Breath.
Karate chop. And I deeply and completely.
Deeply and completely.
Love.
Love.
Forgive.
Forgive.
And accept myself.
And accept myself.
Now, the spot where you put your badge or a brooch, no, on the left hand side. With your two fingers, massage that point in rotational motion as you take a deep breath in. Gently press and hold the point as you breathe out long from the mouth. Now, reassess your breath and see how many marks you would give your breath now. This time, how many it is? Put down in the chat. Yes, let's see your numbers and compare it with your earlier number. Okay, Santosh says 9. I can see more of 9s now. Aarti also, Rao also, Rahul, Neelu also 9. Yogita says 10. Okay, great. I thought you might be nervous, but very good. Thank you, Yogita. Great. Aishwarya, 10. Very good. Feeling relaxed though, Komal Hegde. Very good. Yeah, the whole idea is first that when you're emotional calm, then you'll be relaxed. Emotional balance is very good. Rupinder also says 10. Rudraksh Shweta 9. Hema Mehta 9. Very good. Seema also 9. Very well. Shipra also. Wow. Thank you, Shipra. So, you've all experienced a shift. If it has shifted, that means it has worked for you. If there is anyone who feels that their number has gone down, I would like to talk to you later on. We can, I can help you out if by the end of the session you don't already come back to your normal breath at least. The fact that the number has shifted from your original count means the technique works for you. That's what I said. We'll find out whether it works for you. It works for you. Okay, that means this will be a good technique for you to use for your personal self. And if you master it, learn it well, you can teach it to others also. Make them also feel good and definitely first relaxed. Okay, I'll share my screen again. Thank you, Yogita, for your cooperation. So you definitely want to learn this now. Okay. Even Aristotle has said this, that educating the mind without educating the heart is no education at all. And if this is what we have been doing so far, I think it is time that we change it. हम पतंजलि का भी नहीं सुनते हैं, एरिस्टोटल का भी नहीं सुनते हैं, अपना भी नहीं सुनते हैं, और इसी वजह से हम एक सीमा तक आगे बढ़ते हैं. उसके बाद में हमारा प्रोग्रेस जो है, हमारा किसी भी काम में प्रोग्रेस कहीं ना कहीं अटक जाता है, अधूरा रह जाता है. इस टेक्निक से आपने देखा कि हमारी जो ब्रीदिंग अच्छी नहीं थी वो अच्छी हो गई. उसी प्रकार से अन्य किसी भी प्रकार की नेगेटिविटी को आप पॉजिटिविटी में बदल सकते हैं. इस तकनीक को कई लोग इमोशनल फ्रीडम टेक्निक कहते हैं. हाँ, खाली इमोशंस के लिए यदि इस्तेमाल किया जाए तो उसको ये कहा जा सकता है. हालांकि इसमें थोड़ा सा मैंने परिवर्तन किया है. इट्स नॉट द ओरिजिनल वन. इसलिए इसका नाम है वृत्ति चेंजिंग टेक्निक, क्योंकि मैं इसमें हेड, हार्ट और हैंड तीनों को इंटीग्रेट करके आपको उसको परिवर्तन चेंज करना सिखाऊंगी. हाउ अ नेगेटिविटी कैन बी कन्वर्टेड इनटू पॉजिटिविटी. हमने अभी यमों की बात की. अहिंसा. अहिंसा इज व्हाट? नॉन वायलेंस. हर्ट करना इज वायलेंस. आप सब मानोगे? टू हर्ट इज हिंसा. How many of you think that to feel hurt is okay? That is not hinsa. Just think it in your mind. I want to tell you something that happened with me. I was planning a children's camp, and in children's camp, this is the main topic. All the yamas and niyamas. We teach values. And I was designing an activity for ahimsa. I remember, so a yoga teacher always practices first. Practice before you preach is very important for a yoga teacher. And I was in consultation with my preceptor, Dr. Jaydev. Yeah, Dr. Jaydev is of the Yoga Institute Santa Cruz, the oldest institution of yoga in the world, celebrating its 102nd year now, this year. He told me, when I said, no, generally we don't do hinsa. We are careful. By mistake, kabhi ho jata hai. Okay, you don't consciously do hurting. But he asked me, do you feel hurt? I said, yeah, that I do. So today, how many times did you feel hurt in whatever? I said, yeah, at least 3 or maybe 4 times. So, as much hurt you felt, thoda sa tha ya jada tha, all that you know better. That much capacity to hurt you have developed. So if you have not been hurting, you will hurt. No sooner that thing will mature. Now this was the kind of learning I have had from my preceptor for all the yamas and niyamas. How many of you had known this before? That you hurt as much as you feel hurt. Write known, K, if you had heard of this before. And if you hadn't, then write not heard before, so N. Write K if you had the knowledge of this. Write N if you are hearing this, you had not heard of this before.
Yeah, everybody says not heard before. I think even
Looks
like
like,
for
yes,
me,
therefore they don't want to write. All right,
yeah,
I will not
no,
embarrass you.
yeah. No,
That's
even
okay.
for me, it was like a surprising thing that I am hurt doesn't mean that I will hurt. How is that true?
Oh,
Yes,
yes, I know that is true for many.
yes,
Very well. Thank you, Shipra. So, shall we do one round of this and see whether our hurt can become less? If our hurt becomes less, so we are capable of hurting less. यानी कि अहिंसा हो गई कि नहीं? यदि आप 100 बार हर्ट करते हो, लेकिन आज आपने एक बार कम किया, तो उतना आप अहिंसा के पास में जा रहे हो ना? That is the way I had learned to measure ahimsa and hinsa. तो एक हर्ट के ऊपर टैपिंग करें. So again, do as I do and say as I say. Let me select somebody else now. Okay, Abhilasha Jha. Are you there? Can you unmute yourself and start your video? Okay, Abhilasha is not responding. Again, shall I ask for volunteer? Who would like to? Okay, there's one Payal here, I see. Payal, can I ask you to unmute your audio and start your video?
Yes, ma'am.
How about, okay, thank you, dear. Thank you, Payal. Very well. So do as I do and say as I say.
Yes, ma'am.
Very well. On hurt, okay? All of you feel hurt sometime or the other. So it will not be wrong that I feel hurt. It will be easier for you to say that if you can just recall कोई recent hurt, कोई छोटा सा कुछ आज हो गया हो तो उसको याद कर लो तो hurt याद आ जाएगा. And you will see, क्योंकि hurt जब याद आती है तभी भी उतना ही feel hurt होता है ना? We will feel that hurt. So just recall it and whatever feeling of hurt you are having, we will give it 10 points and see if it reduces. That means the technique is applied also for you.
Okay, ma'am.
Chalo. Thank you, Payal. Let's start. Even though I feel hurt,
I
deeply and completely love, forgive, and accept myself. Even though I feel hurt, I deeply and completely love, forgive, and accept myself. Even though I feel hurt, I deeply and completely love, forgive, and accept myself. Tap the eyebrow point, hurt. Tap the eye end point, hurt. Below the eyes, hurt. Below the nose, hurt. Chin groove, hurt. Collarbone, hurt. Below the armpits, hurt. On the lower ribs, hurt. On the thumbnail, junction of nail and skin, hurt. Forefinger similar point, hurt. Middle finger similar point, hurt. Little finger similar point, hurt. Karate chop, still. I deeply and completely
I deeply and completely
love,
love,
forgive,
forgive,
and accept myself.
and accept myself.
I choose to be
I choose to be
free from hurt,
free from hurt.
and I deeply and completely
I deeply and completely
love,
love,
forgive,
forgive,
and accept myself.
and accept myself.
I choose to be
I choose to be
free from hurt,
free from hurt.
and I deeply and completely
I deeply and completely
love,
love,
forgive,
forgive,
and accept myself.
and accept myself.
I choose to be
I choose to be
free from hurt,
free from hurt.
and I deeply and completely
I deeply and completely
love,
love,
forgive,
forgive,
and accept myself.
and
Tap
accept
the eyebrow
myself.
point, free from hurt.
Free from hurt.
Eye end point, free from hurt.
Free from hurt.
Below the eyes, free from hurt.
Free from hurt.
Below the nose, free from hurt.
Free from hurt.
Chin groove, free from hurt.
Free from hurt.
Below the collarbone, free from hurt.
Free from hurt.
Below the armpits, free from hurt.
Free from hurt.
On the lower ribs, free from hurt.
Free from hurt.
Thumbnail, free from hurt.
Free from hurt.
Forefinger, free from hurt.
Free from hurt.
Middle finger, free from hurt.
Free from hurt.
Little finger, free from hurt.
Free from hurt.
Karate chop. And I deeply and completely
I deeply and completely
love,
love,
forgive,
forgive,
and accept myself.
and accept myself.
Massage the tender spot on the shoulder as you take a deep breath in. Gently press and hold the point as you breathe out long from the mouth. Those of you who recalled some hurt earlier and gave it 10 points can write how much is the feeling of hurt now. It probably would have gone to 0, or at least it would have been lower down somewhere. Yes, this is a new technique, Shweta. It has never been heard of and practiced in this manner before. Good observation. Yes, Payal says it has lowered.
Lowered,
Santosh is saying from 10 to 6. Great. Santosh, I think if you can do this once again, it will become 0. It's working very well for you. Priya says lowered. Naresh saying only 2. Very well. Naresh Kokal. Oh, hi. How nice to see you here.
Suchitra, Abhilasha, she's asking, why don't we tap on ring fingers? Abhilasha's question.
Ring finger is very, very powerful. So in fact, even in my regular day-to-day practice or my one-on-one coaching that I do, help out people with dealing with a lot of past hurt and anything like that. There also I try not to use it because it's extremely powerful. कहीं पर कुछ बहुत जमा हुआ कचरा हो, तुम एक साथ उसको निकालोगे, तो जहाँ कहीं भी है वो दीवार है या कोई ट्रंक है या जिसी में भी, वो उसको भी नष्ट करेगा. So it's always good to work little by little, layer by layer, and it works best layer by layer. इसलिए रिंग फिंगर को जहां तक हो सकता है मैं नहीं यूज करती हूँ. उसको टैपिंग करने का तरीका थोड़ा सा अलग है. आप जब कोर्स ज्वाइन करोगे तो सीखोगे. Okay, so most people, Vibha also saying, nice to know you are also here, Vibha. Thank you. So it has lowered. Very good. It's very relaxing. Thank you, Vinod. So it is working for you, and you can see how it can work for you to practice even. Can you see my screen?
No, not as of now.
Okay, probably. One second, I'll share it again. Okay. So we just did this technique from current slide. Which shifted our vritti of hurt to ahimsa. So you can apply this what is very good about it, अब मैं आपको एक मेरा अपने साथ जो हुआ है वो बात बताती हूँ। आयुष मंत्रालय ने योगा का एग्जाम शुरू किया है, आप लोगों को पता होगा। I am their expert. There are 2 of us who are chosen as their consultant and yoga expert. I'm one of them. And including Yama Niyama in the syllabus is a must. They have been asking us to give them a way how Yama Niyama practice people are doing can be evaluated. Now, this technique I give them, but लेकिन ये सबको पता नहीं है, और इसके साथ ही यदि मेजर हो सकता है तो फिर हमें इसको योगा टेक्निक बनानी पड़ेगी, और इमोशनल के नाम पे उनको योगा टेक्निक नहीं चाहिए। और मैं बताती रही हूँ, लेकिन शायद इंटेंशन है, लेकिन मासेस को क्योंकि नहीं समझ में आ रहा है, तो मैंने तय किया है कि मैं ही मासेस को बताऊंगी, और इसलिए मैं आप लोगों को बताना चाहती हूँ। मेरा मिशन समझ रहे हैं आप? You will be part of this thing, something what Ayush Mantralaya also wants, to be able to evaluate yamas and niyamas. आप वो कर सकते हो। So, how motivated are you? Are you excited about learning this even more now? Say yes in the chat box if you are. सीखना चाहते हो?
Suchitra, I want to ask you a question. So
Yeah.
if I use with our family or our students in a day-to-day, I think if I learn it well, it can really increase the effectiveness with what people think कि कैसे handle करना है day-to-day stresses. I think it's very effective.
In fact, बच्चों के लिए तो बहुत काम आता है, और बच्चे बड़ी जल्दी से सीख जाते हैं। मैंने 4 साल के बच्चों को भी सिखाया हुआ है, और 3 साल वाले भी कर लेते हैं।
क्योंकि हमें सब बोलते हैं पॉजिटिविटी, आई थिंक ये बहुत ही अच्छा फोकस तरीका है करने का।
बल्कि वो ऐसे पॉजिटिव जबरदस्ती सोचना। इनफैक्ट मैं सच बताऊं, हम ये प्रतिपक्ष भावना की जो बात कर रहे हैं, ये टेक्निकल वर्ड है थोड़ा, यम नियम के साथ में ये जुड़ा हुआ है। इसका मतलब ये है कि जब तुम हिंसा की भावना सामने आ रही है, कुछ ऐसा इंस्टेंस हुआ और तुम्हारे में हिंसा बढ़ रही है, तो तुम अहिंसा के बारे में सोचो। मैं ऐसा बोलती थी कि यार मेरा मन कर रहा है कि उसको थप्पड़ मारूं, अब तुम मेरे को बोलते हो कि उससे प्रेम के बारे में सोचो। कैसे सोचूं? नहीं सोचा जाता। हालांकि पतंजलि ने एक राह बताई है। पतंजलि का जो प्रतिपक्ष भावना का तरीका है, मैं थोड़ा सा याद दिला देती हूँ कि क्या है। कि आप हिंसा 81 प्रकार से कर सकते हैं। यू कैन हर्ट इन 81 डिफरेंट वेज। व्हाट आर दीज 81 डिफरेंट वेज? दे आर 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, 81. Which are the 3? Mansa, Vacha, Kaya. Thought, speech, action mein you can hurt. So these are the 3 ways. And all these 3 can be done either by yourself, you can get that done, get somebody to hurt, and you can just be happy that hurting is happening. So 3 into 3, 9 types. All these 9 types can be caused due to anger, greed, and delusion. So 9 into 3, 27 types, and all these 27 types can be done mildly, moderately, or intensely. 27 into 3, 81 different types. Now this is the suggestion from Patanjali. तो intellectually मैंने ये भी सिखाया हुआ है, और ये भी बहुत इफेक्टिवली काम करता है, लेकिन इतना इंटेलिजेंटली उस समय सोचने का भी नहीं होता है, क्योंकि आखिरकार ये इमोशन है और वो सोचने का हेड में है। तो हार्ट के साथ जब काम किया जाता है ना, तो ज्यादा इफेक्टिव होता है। मैंने क्योंकि दोनों किया है, दोनों सिखाया है, दोनों का असर देखा है, मैंने पाया है कि वृत्ति चेंजिंग टेक्निक ज्यादा सरलता से काम करती है, और हर उम्र में आप बीमार भी हो तो भी उसको कर सकते हो, ऐसा है। ठीक है ना? तो जिन लोगों ने इसको किया है और वो नेगेटिव को पॉजिटिव में बदली किया है, उनमें से कुछ लोग यहाँ मौजूद भी हैं। तो एक है चंदन, वो बोली कि दीदी मेरे को बोलने के लिए नहीं होगा, मैं आपको लिख के बता देती हूँ। तो she wrote back to me, so I am sharing what she says that happened with her. कि जब वो मेरे पास आई थी, उससे पहले उसका क्या हाल था, तो बोलती मैं सुबह उठ के बराबर मेरे को पता नहीं क्या होता है, मेरे को बहुत रोना आता है और मैं बहुत रोती हूँ। दूसरा, उसका गुस्सा बिल्कुल काबू में नहीं था, सबसे ज्यादा उसके बेटे पे निकलता था, बेचारे को खूब मार पड़ती थी, और उस सब का असर उसकी चमड़ी पर भी नजर आ रहा था। उसकी चमड़ी बहुत ऐसे रफ और ऐसी हो गई थी, और उस समय वो ट्रीटमेंट ले रही थी। हालांकि चमड़ी के ऊपर हमने काम नहीं किया डायरेक्टली, हम उसके गुस्से के ऊपर और ये रोने के ऊपर काम कर रहे थे, और भी जो कुछ उसको इस प्रकार से उससे रिलेटेड होता था उसके ऊपर हम काम करते थे। सप्ताह में 2 बार रोज रेगुलरली 1 घंटा बैठ के मेरे से सीखती थी और घर पे जाके उसको प्रैक्टिस भी करती थी। कुछ ही समय में उसकी दवाइयां जो वो ले रही थी चमड़ी के लिए, तो डॉक्टर ने कम कर दी, क्योंकि उसकी चमड़ी का रंग और उसकी जो दशा थी वो सुधरने लगी, वो खुश रहने लगी। उसके घर के अंदर जो उसके रिलेशंस खराब हो रहे थे, क्योंकि बच्चे को इतना डांटती थी, बच्चा इससे डरता था, वो एकदम ठीक हो गया। रिलेशनशिप उसके इतने सुंदर हो गए, आज लोग चंदन का उदाहरण देते हैं, जो कि पहले उसको खुद को अपने आप से शर्म आती थी, कहती है मेरे को। तो इस प्रकार का व्यक्ति का परिवर्तन हो सकता है, और खुद वो अब योगा टीचर हो गई है। चंदन, Chandan, are you there? Yeah, I can see Fenil Gala. That's Chandan, right? हाँ, चंदन, एक बार नमस्ते बोल दो सबको। अनम्यूट कर लो 1 मिनट।
हेलो, नमस्ते।
हाँ, कितने सालों पहले सीखा था तूने?
10 से 12 साल।
10-12 साल
मेरे को समझ में आया, उससे पहले समझ, हाँ, लेकिन 1 साल करती गई, लेकिन मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा था कि मैं क्या कर रही हूँ। लेकिन जब समय आया ना, कंटिन्यू ऑन द स्पॉट कर लेती हूँ, और उसका जो रहता है ऑटोमेटिकली आपका जो हार्ट पे असर हो रहा है ना, ऑटोमेटिकली आप डाउन से रिलैक्स हो जाते हो, फ्री फ्रॉम योर माइंड में से वो चीज निकल जाती है जो आपने पकड़ के रखी थी।
थैंक यू
जैसे ही आपने पकड़ के,
थैंक यू चंदन।
सुचिता, श्वेता है, she wants to know कि क्या वो अपने बच्चों के लिए भी प्रोग्राम यूज कर सकती है? Can she enroll kids
in this program?
प्रोग्राम और टेक्निक, मतलब वो आप उसे सिखा सकते हैं।
Technique can be learned by children. I can do. हाँ, ये एक बहुत अच्छा सवाल है। Let me address it when I come towards the end of it, because children के लिए एक children वाला ही group दिएगा, and we can do the technique. The part of this program can be done for the children, and we can do the whole program also, but then it will have to be children separately.
I think children, बच्चे वही सीखते हैं जो पेरेंट्स उनको दिखाते हैं। जब पेरेंट्स करेंगे,
तो
बच्चे अपने आप इन्फ्लुएंस होके सीखते हैं। तो आई थिंक पेरेंट्स
बच्चे पेरेंट्स को सिखाते हैं फिर।
हाँ, एग्जैक्टली।
ये और देखा मैंने।
पहले आप खुद सीखो, फिर बच्चे अपने आप देखेंगे और सीखेंगे।
वो करने लग जाते हैं साथ साथ। ये एक जन और है, she was a parent of a child in the school where I was teaching.
आपका
when she learnt this,
share your screen.
Sorry, अरे ये क्या हो गया? She also was extremely pressurized by a dominating mother-in-law.
We can't see your screen,
Suchitra. Sorry, you can't see the slide?
No.
Oh, okay. Thank you for telling me. One sec. I thought I did slide sharing. ऐसा मेरे को लग रहा है कि मैं slide share नहीं करके, because there are a couple of people who are here live and I'll allow them to share for themselves. Okay, but एक बार दिखा देती हूँ। तो she had this strained relationship more because of difficulty in communication. She overcame that by using this technique and is a very, very happy grandma now. I'll go to the next slide. Current slide. Yes, Sumati, I saw you are here, so I'll request Sumati, and Jyoti is also here. I'll allow them to share. And we also have Neelu here. These 3 slides I'm not going to talk about. I'll allow these people to share for themselves. Nothing like them talking about their own story in 30 seconds, 60 seconds themselves. So shall we have Sumati? Would you like to share? Initially, you were saying that you don't want to talk, therefore I'm writing and giving. If you are willing to talk, we'd like to hear you. Sumati, hi Sumati. Please.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi.
Namaste.
Namaste.
My name is Sumati Pillai.
Yeah, we can hear you. Go on.
Yes. Vritti changing technique helped me a lot. I was having issues with relationship with my parents itself, in-laws. Actually, I was fighting with myself. I could see my own mirror image. She helped me to show myself. I used to pass negative vibes, which I used to attract the same thing which I sensed after working on Vritti changing techniques. And
how is it with your parents now? How are you with your parents now?
Everyone are good. Actually, I have changed. That's what they have changed. Everyone, literally.
तो तुमने
past
Vritti
2
changing
years
technique
it has.
खुद पे की या उन पे की?
नहीं, मैंने खुद पे किया था.
Okay, thank you,
वो
Sumati.
लोग वैसे ही है, लेकिन कायाकल्प है. Now it is
Very right.
that much
So,
change.
when we change, our perception of the world changes and the world changes accordingly because the world is as we perceive it.
Yes.
Correct? Thank you, Sumati. Thank you so much for sharing. Jyoti, can you please unmute yourself and come on? Jyoti Irani? Yes, hi Jyoti, thank you. Yes, you can speak for yourself. Why should I show the slide?
Yeah, so I did this, that time it was called Emotional Freedom Technique. And I finished my yoga course, the Yoga TTC in 2000, December 18. But still the yoga teachings were not making sense to me. And I always kept on playing the victim. So ma'am was a Sankhya teacher in the 2-year TTC. And I always wanted to be with her, listen to her words of wisdom. And when I heard that she's holding this workshop, I said, let me just try out, because the name itself was Emotional Freedom Technique. So I said, maybe, yes, she will give me the answers. But when I went to her also, I kept telling her that this is not possible, ma'am, ye nahi hoga, bachpan se hai sab. And I always been, avoiding situations, people having a lot of difficulties. Log aise hi hain, kuch nahi hoga. And then she helped me clearing my blockages. She showed me where I was caught. And once she removed those blockages, I actually set free. It was like me going to that space center. वहाँ पर जैसे rocket launch करते हैं ना, तो she felt that energy and I was just launched from there. And after she launched me, I started learning. I started understanding how I am contributing to all the issues which I am facing. And slowly that understanding started setting in. I started to see things more clearly. And once that happened, I changed from within, just as Sumati said, and people around me automatically changed. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you, Jyoti. Thank you for sharing. And Neelu, yeah, I can see you are here. Please unmute yourself and speak for yourself.
Yeah, my actually network is not very good from this side.
Okay, but we can hear you, Neelu. It's okay.
Yes. Voice is clear, na?
Very clear.
Hello?
Yes, Neelu. We can hear you.
Yeah. So, hello?
Ha, Neelu, speak. We can hear you.
Yeah. So, I was suffering from very irregular sleep patterns. So I just used to get up in between, जैसे नींद खुल जाती थी रात को, and then I used to get very difficult, मतलब होता था problem सोने के लिए, like going back to sleep. And I used to think something or the other, because I was going through some stressful situation during that time. So when I met Suchitra ji, I told my problem to her. So then she suggested me to do this technique, and with the help of this technique I was able to overcome all those reasons because of which I was getting up in the middle of the night, or फिर सोने के लिए मुझे problem होती थी. So those reasons she was quite helpful to find all those reasons. So but after doing this technique,
I did not
But
find those reasons. We only worked on the sleep, if you remember. And those
sorry.
reasons just came up, correct?
Yes. वो
And
अपने
then
आप ही because
automatically
of the
one after
technique,
the other.
one after
In
the
fact,
other, it started coming out. Yeah,
absolutely.
surface. And then I realized how the things were happening and how I was contributing to those stressful situations through my perceptions.
Yes.
So yes.
Thank you. Thank
So
you, Neelu.
now it's quite
Really.
helpful. Thank you, ma'am. Yeah.
Thank you for sharing. So, are you excited? Do you
I
think
think
you
we
want
should.
this?
I think we should give a round of applause to all these wonderful people who have
Yes.
come over with this and clap to
Yes. Very much. Very much. I think thank you all so much. Thank you all. Thank you. Okay, Vinod, you could join. How nice to see you. How are you feeling? I hope good. Very well. And I see Shekharji also there. Thank you, Shekhar, for joining us.
Right, I'll just
Okay.
jump.
I will show you a couple of more slides. I think you can see my slides now.
Yes, you can slide share and we can
Yes.
see it.
Yeah. My internet connection is unstable, it is saying, so it's taking time. Done. So, do you want to know how can you master all this yourself and also help others? Type yes if you want to know.
In fact, if people have some questions, I'm sure looking at so much of interesting examples, people must be thinking how it can help them. They must be having questions. So if anyone has questions, please write your
Yes, please type your questions. As they come to your mind, please keep typing them. I will keep taking them up in between, or Shipra will keep taking it up. And we will see to it that no doubts are there in your mind about how you can take this forward. So you want to join and learn from me this vritti changing technique and how to use it as Pratipaksha Bhavna or for practice of Yama Niyama, in other words. Join and learn. And so you want to join. You're probably still wondering what all will be there in the course. यम नियम तो हमको आता है, ये वृत्ति चेंजिंग टेक्निक खाली सीख लेंगे तो हम अप्लाई कर लेंगे. 15 साल से लोगों को बोल रही हूँ, सिखा रही हूँ. यम नियम भी जिनको आता है और वृत्ति चेंजिंग टेक्निक भी आती है, लेकिन वो यम नियम के ऊपर ऐड करने के लिए वो जो सेंटेंसेस बनाने होते हैं ना वृत्ति चेंजिंग टेक्निक में, उसके लिए यम नियम की उस प्रकार की समझ चाहिए. जैसे मैंने बताया कि if you are feeling hurt, you are capable of hurting and in the same proportion. Now, इस प्रकार का गूढ़ ज्ञान आपको यहाँ पर मिलेगा और समझ से फिर आप खुद अपने आप को भी अच्छे से यम नियम के अंदर स्थापित कर सकते हैं. So, what will be this course including? यदि आप यही सोच रहे हो इसलिए कुछ कह नहीं रहे हो कि ज्वाइन करना है या नहीं करना है, तो थोड़ा और बता दूं. इस टेक्निक को सीखने के लिए मैं हर प्रकार के लर्नर्स का ध्यान रखते हुए हम कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ मेथड्स यूज करेंगे. कुछ लोग होते हैं ऑडिटरी लर्नर होते हैं, कुछ काइनेस्थेटिक लर्नर होते हैं, कुछ विजुअल लर्नर्स होते हैं. तो उन सभी का ध्यान रखते हुए हम हर प्रकार की तरीके से इस चीज को सीखेंगे. और उसके अंदर हम हर एक टॉपिक को 21 दिन तक सीख कर प्रैक्टिस करेंगे, क्योंकि खाली जान लेने से नहीं होगा ना, हेड मात्र से नहीं होगा, करना पड़ेगा। तो उसको एक्शन में लाने के लिए हार्ट बीच में अटका रहता है, तो हम हार्ट के जो भी अटकन है, इमोशनल मैनेजमेंट ही है पूरा यम नियम, तो जिस वजह से भी वहां अटक रहे हैं उसको क्लियर करेंगे, और उस रास्ते को क्लियर करने के बाद में हम उसको अनुभव में लाएंगे। 21 दिन तक आप उसको, 4 दिन तक आप मेरे से सीखोगे, बाकी के दिन आप अपने आप से भी सीखते रहोगे, और 7 दिन तक आप उसकी इस प्रकार से प्रैक्टिस करोगे टोटली अपने आप। बाकी के दिन आप मेरे संपर्क में रहोगे, मेरे साथ में करोगे। आखिरी 7 दिन में मेरे साथ में बहुत मिनिमम कांटेक्ट रहेगा, और आप उसको खुद देखोगे कि आप कितना उसको कर पा रहे हो अपने आप और आगे जा पा रहे हो। ऑफ कोर्स आई विल बी देयर फॉर गाइडेंस। तो 1 महीने में, हर 1 महीने में ये ऐसा चलेगा। उसके अंदर इजी लर्निंग के लिए बहुत सारे क्रिएटिव तरीके अपनाए गए हैं, जो आप कोर्स ज्वाइन करोगे तो आप देखोगे, जैसे कि आपको कुछ चीजें वीडियो के द्वारा मिलेगी, कुछ चीजें आपको पॉडकास्ट के द्वारा मिलेगी, जिनको देख के ज्यादा अच्छे से समझ में आता है वो देख कर लें, और थोड़ा सा एक चेंज चाहिए तो वो मिल जाता है। पॉडकास्ट यदि आपको देखने का समय नहीं है कि आप चालू करके रख लो और सुनते रहो और सीख लो, तो वो भी हो सकेगा। जरूरी नहीं है ना महीने के 30 दिन एक जैसे निकले हमारे, और हम काफी समय व्हाट्सएप पे हमारे बिताते हैं, तो व्हाट्सएप के ऊपर मैसेजेस के तौर के ऊपर भी आपको सीखने के लिए मिलेगा। तो हर प्रकार से ऑडिटरी और विजुअल वगैरह आपको इनपुट्स मिलते रहेंगे पूरे महीने में, और ये सारा सब हम 10 के 10 यम और नियम और ये तकनीक, यानी कि ये 11 चीजें आप अच्छी तरह से मास्टर कर लोगे पूरे 6 महीने में। अब योग
चित्रा, मैंने ज्वाइनिंग के लिंक डाल दिया है, सो जो भी ज्वाइन करना चाहते हैं उनके लिए लिंक चैट बॉक्स में डाल दिया गया है, वो वहां पे क्लिक करके ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं।
बिल्कुल। तो anybody who has understood that yes, this is what is needed now, क्योंकि इससे एक और चीज जो मैंने मुझे अब लग रहा है कि मुझे बतानी चाहिए, आपको ध्यान दिलाना चाहिए। अष्टांग योग हमने सबने जाना है, यम नियम पहली सीढ़ी है। हम शुरुआत करते हैं आसन से, यम नियम खाली बोल के छोड़ देते हैं या सुन के छोड़ देते हैं। When we are practicing asana, शुरू में हमें अच्छी प्रोग्रेस मिलती है, रिलैक्सेशन भी होता है, कंसंट्रेशन भी थोड़ा बढ़ता है, आपकी थोड़ी आदतें भी सुधरती हैं, वो बाय डिफॉल्ट। आसन थोड़े समय करते हैं, हम प्राणायाम भी करने लगते हैं। आसन प्राणायाम का सही में जो परिणाम होना चाहिए, हम पतंजलि से जानते हैं कि क्या होना चाहिए। पतंजलि ने आसन के 3 सूत्र कहे हैं, स्थिरम सुखम आसनम, और स्थिरम सुखम के बाद में हम स्थिरम भी नहीं रहते, हम आसन भी खूब जिम्नास्टिक की तरह हालांकि बहुत से लोग करते हैं, लेकिन चलो जो आप स्थिरम सुखम भी करते हैं तो मान लो कि आपने उतना किया, आसन किया। स्थिरम सुखम आसनम के बाद में प्रयत्न शैथिल्य अनंत समापत्ति, प्रयत्न शैथिल्य तक भी हम नहीं पहुंच पाते हैं कि स्थिरता से हम 3 घंटा उस आसन के अंदर रहें और उसमें हमें तकलीफ नहीं हो, उलझन नहीं हो किसी प्रकार की, न मन में न शरीर में। इतना जब हम आसन करेंगे तो उसका परिणाम क्या होगा? ततः द्वंद्व अनभिघात, यानी कि ऑपोजिट्स जो हमारे को सताते हैं, जैसे सर्दी गर्मी, गरम ठंडा, सुख दुख, सच झूठ, इस प्रकार के द्वंद्वों के बीच में हम जो घिरे रहते हैं, वो द्वंद्व हमारे लिए समाप्त हो जाएंगे। They will end. Just 1 minute.
Ma'am, you need to unmute yourself.
Yeah, thank you. Yes. Again, my slide has got stopped. Okay, here we are. We go ahead. तो हम 6 महीने में क्या करने वाले हैं? पहले महीने में हम ये वृत्ति चेंजिंग टेक्निक को इस ढंग से सीख लेंगे, ऐसी मास्टरी कर लेंगे कि हम अपने आप ही इसको अपने लिए जो डे टू डे स्ट्रेसेस हैं उसके लिए इस्तेमाल कर सकें. वंस, क्योंकि ये मैंने आपको बताया सरफेस पे काम करती है, तो आपके डे टू डे स्ट्रेसेस बीच में आते रहेंगे, तो आप इसको यम नियम के लिए इस्तेमाल नहीं कर पाओगे. तो पहले आपके डे टू डे स्ट्रेसेस को मैनेज करना और टेक्निक सीखनी भी तो है ना, तो ये प्रैक्टिस होएगा फर्स्ट मंथ में. फिर सेकेंड महीने में आप इस तकनीक को अहिंसा और सत्य पे कैसे लगाओगे. अहिंसा का उदाहरण मैंने दे दिया आपको अभी. उसी प्रकार से सत्य, आपके अंदर सत्य बोलने की क्षमता स्वतः पैदा हो. जैसे अहिंसा की मैंने बताया कि अपने आप ही आपको हर्ट फील होना कम हो जाएगा, तो आप हर्टिंग कम करोगे. उसी प्रकार से आपके आसपास में से आप झूठ जितना कम लोगे, उतना ही जितना आप कम बोलोगे, उतना ही आपके अंदर उसके संस्कार बढ़ेंगे सच बोलने के. शौच एंड संतोष, ये है दोनों नियम. ये किस प्रकार से उनको देखना चाहिए और कैसे इनकी प्रगति कितनी होनी चाहिए, ये यदि आपको मालूम हो तो उतना ही करना है जिस समय में उसका समय फिक्स हो. ये थोड़ा नियमित रूप से होना चाहिए, ये नियम कहलाते हैं. तो उसको कैसे पालन किया जाए और वृत्ति चेंजिंग टेक्निक से आप इसको कैसे सही से समझ सकते हो, ये आपको तीसरे महीने में सिखाया जाएगा. चौथे महीने में होगा अस्तेय और ब्रह्मचर्य. अस्तेय है चोरी नहीं करना. वैसे तो हम चोरी नहीं करते, लेकिन हम जाने अनजाने बहुत सारी छोटी छोटी चीजें किसी और की अपना लेते हैं और हमें समझ ही नहीं आता. यदि अस्तेय की भावना मन में है तो ये वृत्ति चेंजिंग टेक्निक उसको उभार कर लाएगी. उसी प्रकार से ब्रह्मचर्य, besides controlling sexual urge, it is also about controlling the senses, क्योंकि सेंसेस हमको हर समय बाहर लेके जाते रहते हैं और योग में तो अंदर जाना होता है ना. तो ये आपको अवगत कराएगा अपने आप से. सेल्फ अवेयरनेस तो आप सब समझ सकते हो. सांख्य इज द फिलॉसफी ऑन विच योगा इज बेस्ड, और सांख्य के अंदर तो एक ही चीज कही जाती है, अवेयरनेस 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 ऑफ अवेयरनेस. ये अवेयरनेस बढ़ाने के लिए बहुत अच्छी टेक्निक है. 5वें महीने में हम करेंगे तप और स्वाध्याय. तो आपका जो एग्जिस्टिंग नॉलेज है उसको भी समझेंगे और फिर उससे हम आपको प्रैक्टिकल की तरफ और आगे ले जाएंगे. और लास्ट महीने में जो बाकी के 2 बचे हैं, एक यम और एक नियम, अपरिग्रह और ईश्वर प्रणिधान, ये आपका 6 महीने का कोर्स होगा.
श्वेता का क्वेश्चन है कि वो ज्वाइन करना चाहती हैं, तो क्या वो अपनी सिस्टर इन लॉ के लिए भी पे कर सकती हैं? सो ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ श्वेता, आप इस 2 बार क्लिक कीजिए, क्योंकि हर बार आप जब क्लिक करेंगे आपको ज्वाइन करने वाले का नाम और ईमेल डालना होगा ताकि आपको इन्फॉर्मेशन भेज सके. तो आप एक बार क्लिक करके अपना और एक बार क्लिक करके अपनी सिस्टर इन लॉ की डिटेल्स डाल सकते हैं, ताकि दोनों के नाम हमारे पास आ जाएंगे. और उन सब, और जो ज्वाइन करेगा अपना नाम डाल के, उसको कम्युनिकेशन के लिए, वीडियोस, पॉडकास्ट भेजने के लिए, कुछ भी भेजने के लिए वो इन्फॉर्मेशन जरूरी है. तो जरूर ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं आप भी और आपकी सिस्टर इन लॉ भी. आप look forward to seeing you there. And then Jyoti Irani says she's a live example of her inner potential after clearing blockages. So congratulations Jyoti, आप भी एक living example है Shutitra की amazing technique का. I am myself an example of learning from her and I support her totally in this cause because मुझे पता है ये कितना अच्छा टेक्निक है जो हम लोगों को मालूम ही नहीं है. Indians होके हमको खुद मालूम नहीं है. So
I'll answer Abhilasha.
जोड़ेंगे.
Abhilasha, I can see some question from Abhilasha. Can you read that?
Can you explain what will be the actual schedule and time commitment required for the course?
Thank you. Somehow कुछ clear नहीं हो रहा था. Actual schedule and time commitment. There will be 4 hours of webinar at the beginning of every month. Whenever I'm beginning this course on 16th of July. So 4 days at a stretch, 1 hour each day. There will be live webinar wherein I will be teaching you. And then for the remaining 17 days, I said 21 days, I will be sending you either a podcast or a video or a post wherein you will be practicing what you have learned. And you can pose your questions, difficulties over there, and I can help you out further. And then in the last 7 days, you will initiate. Okay, I am going to practice this today. I'm going to do it for this purpose today. And I will correct your statements, etc., that you will make. And that's how you will have self-evaluated how you have learned it, how much you have mastered it. So that will happen every month. So 4 hours and then all this. In between, I will give you 2 days. The dates will be fixed once we get together and start, when you will have a question answer webinar. Because जब practice करने लगते हैं ना, तब कुछ questions आते हैं. तो हमेशा WhatsApp वगैरह पे हम नहीं पूछ पाते. तो live webinar ऐसा होगा जिसमें कि आप पूछ पाओगे. Yeah. Am I clear now, Abhilasha?
Sure, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah. Yes.
Anybody has any questions? Still thinking? Any questions? Please आप कुछ सवाल अभी पूछिए, because इस time हम सारे सवाल के जवाब दे सकते हैं.
Time.
Yeah.
If there is any question before you use the link that is sent to you, maybe you can paste the link again, Shipra. कहीं ऊपर चली गई होगी.
I'll paste it again. You can continue.
Yeah.
I'll paste it.
Because I can see Neelu wants to join, so if the link is here, it will be easier.
Yes, I will paste it. I will just paste it.
Yes. Using this technique for Yama Niyama is a very different thing than just knowing the technique.
Yes. Let's continue. मैं post करती हूँ.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying. मेरा ये जब छोड़ देती हूँ ना, तो ये screen still हो जाती है. हाँ. Yes. We are still thinking. तो आप शायद ये सोच रहे हो कि आपको ये कैसे हेल्प करेगा. यदि आप योगा टीचर्स हो तब तो डेफिनेटली बहुत हेल्प करेगा, क्योंकि आपको ये सिखाना है और आप ज्यादा अच्छे से सिखा पाओगे.
Namita has this question that what will be the timing of that 1 hour session?
Timing of the 1 hour session will be mostly in the evening, but if I have a group that requires a morning time, we can do it either at 11 o'clock or as the group decides. क्योंकि वो जब group बन जाएगा, तो we'll have a mutually convenient time decided. So there is no hard and fast on that. आजकल सब online चल रहा है, क्योंकि और ज्यादातर लोग घर से काम कर रहे हैं, so that can get adjusted. That's not an issue. और हर बार मैं करती आई हूँ, वो हो जाएगा.
Suchitra, let's do one thing. I think आगे काफी सारे questions अपने आप answer हो जाएंगे. So if I continue, then and after that we can take question answers, because it's already 6:30, so then we can.
Already time, right?
Yes.
So
let's
one
continue.
definitely better relationship. आपने इतने सारे testimonials सुन लिए और बहुत सारे हैं, क्योंकि और यम नियम पालन करने का मतलब ही यही है. यम का तो मतलब ही है interpersonal relationship. तो वो सुधर जाते हैं. There is more love among people and in your heart. और गुस्सा एक सबसे बड़ा दुश्मन है हमारा, जिसको अच्छे से मैनेज हो जाता है. यदि मेरे जैसे का गुस्सा, जो कि दिन में मैं 50 बार गुस्सा होती थी, अब 5 बार भी नहीं होती हूँ, थैंक्स टू योगा एंड दिस टेक्निक. अब ऐसा होगा तो आपके साथ क्या होगा, आप सोच लो कि आपके यदि रिलेशनशिप बेटर हो जाते हैं, तो आधा तो टेंशन उसी में खत्म हो जाता है, और बाहर का भी और अंदर का गुस्सा कम हो जाता है, तो आपका खुद के साथ में रिलेशनशिप अच्छा हो जाता है. तो फिर ये तीसरा होगा कि नहीं होगा? You will definitely have a more happier and peaceful life. And if this is the kind of life, all yoga teachers talk about this last thing. अरे क्या हो गया? Better yoga way of life. Is that visible? Because it's not visible to me. मेरी screen के अंदर वो छुप रहा है. I think it's there.
Yes, it's
yoga
visible.
way of
It's
life.
visible.
Yeah. Yes. So you will have with ease you can follow yoga way of life. Okay. Now, you're wondering how much you will have to invest in this. How much you're willing to invest in this for this kind of a change for yourself. If you are investing in your own self for personal growth, a lot of you want, maybe there are a lot of you who want to do this for their own personal growth. Yama niyama to personal growth बहुत ट्रमेंडस होता है, और जब तक खुद के ऊपर फोकस नहीं होता, योग शुरू ही नहीं होता है. करेक्ट. सो ये जो कोर्स है उसकी कीमत क्या है? आप कहीं भी जाओ, 6 महीने का योग का कोर्स, और वो भी वैसा जिसमें कि आपको इंडिविजुअल अटेंशन मिल जाए, पर्सनल हैंड होल्डिंग मिल जाए. ज्यादातर कोर्स होते हैं 30 लोग होते हैं, 50 लोग होते हैं, 100 होते हैं, 150 होते हैं. उस बीच में पूरा कोर्स खत्म हो जाता है. अब जैसे मैंने यहाँ पर भी कुछ चेहरों को देखा, मेरे को पहचाने जैसे लगे, कुछ नामों को देखा जो मुझे पहचाने जैसे लगे. हालांकि नाम ज्यादा नहीं जानती, जो कि मेरे स्टूडेंट्स रह चुके हैं टीचर्स ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम में, लेकिन वहां पर 100 लोग होते हैं. तो थोड़ा सा हल्का सा भूरी भूरी सी मेमोरी में आते हैं, इंटरेक्ट करने के लिए मौका ही नहीं मिलता. तो ऐसे ऐसे कोर्सेज होते हैं और उनकी प्राइजेस रेंज करती हैं, और इससे भी ज्यादा कई जगह पे. लेकिन आप, क्योंकि आप मेरे एक मिशन का हिस्सा बनने जा रहे हैं, तो मेरे लिए ये बहुत 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 जरूरी है कि आप इसको सुगमता से, आसानी से कर सको. मैं नहीं चाहती कि उसको एक्सपेंसेस समझ के आप अपने लिए जो फायदा करना चाहते हो, तो क्योंकि आप यदि सुधरते हो तो आप मेरी वर्ल्ड का हिस्सा हैं, मेरी दुनिया सुधरती है. इसलिए मेरा इंटरेस्ट भी है कि आप उसको सुगमता से कर सको. तो ये अच्छी सुगमता है कि नहीं? इस पूरे कोर्स का नाम हम देंगे वृत्ति चेंजिंग टेक्निक एंड प्रतिपक्ष भावना, और ये आपको मिल रहा है सिर्फ और सिर्फ 20,000 रुपए में. This course today is costing you only 20,000 rupees. It's for 6 months and with this kind of hand holding that you will get. यदि आप अभी ज्वाइन करते हो तो आपको एक एडिशनल गिफ्ट कूपन मिलेगा, जो कि आप अपनी तरफ से, जैसे मैं चाहती हूँ कि आपकी कुछ भलाई हो, तो आपके लिए मैं, जैसे अभी आप लोगों के साथ में नीलू ने, सुमति ने, ज्योति वगैरह ने शेयर किया, उनके मेजर इश्यूज सॉल्व हुए. वो क्योंकि इस अपने सीखने के अलावा उन्होंने 1-to-1 सेशंस भी किए मेरे साथ. तो ये सेशन में आपकी तरफ से, आप जिसको भी ये कूपन देंगे, कोडेड कूपन रहेगा, आपके पर्सनलाइज रहेगा, तो आप जिसको भी देंगे, आपकी तरफ से मैं ये सेवा उनको जरूर दूंगी. इस कोर्स, इस सेशन का आज की तारीख में प्राइस है 2,000 रुपीज, लेकिन आपको ये कूपन मिल रहा है लाइफ टाइम वैलिडिटी के साथ. तो आप जब चाहें तब इस कूपन को कन्वर्ट करवा सकते हैं एक्टिविटी में, और आपकी तरफ से वो गिफ्ट होगा उस व्यक्ति को जिसको कि आप ये देंगे.
Sujita, Chitra wants to join, and Shweta had messaged me कि she wants to join.
Yes.
So I am posting the link again. आप लोग क्लिक करके यहाँ पे ज्वाइन कर लीजिए. और जितने भी लोगों को इंटरेस्ट है इसमें ज्वाइन करने के लिए, वेलकम टू द न्यू वे ऑफ लर्निंग एंड वेलकम टू सुचित्रा's क्लास. सो ये लिंक अभी हम आज रात के लिए लाइव रखेंगे. आप अभी जब तक हमारा वेबिनार ऑन है, ये लिंक लाइव है, और वो स्पेशल ऑफर भी सुचित्रा का ऑन है. तो आप में से जितने लोग भी अपनी लाइफ में चेंज चाहते हैं, प्लीज क्लिक द लिंक एंड ज्वाइन, एंड लेट्स मेक दिस मूवमेंट एन इंडिया मूवमेंट.
Yes, that would be great. But all those who have been into the field of yoga for some time and practicing, they will know that how much of dearth there is in this very topic. And we take it for granted because we mostly teach this only in schools. यम नियम टीचर्स जो स्कूल में सिखाते हैं, और उनके पास में कुछ खास टूल्स नहीं होते हैं. हम अक्सर खाली कुछ स्टोरीज बोल देते हैं, कुछ एग्जांपल्स दे देते हैं और उनको कहते हैं कि नहीं करो 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 करो, और बच्चे थोड़े बहुत कर भी लेते हैं। लेकिन इस तकनीक के साथ में जब आप सिखाओगे तो आप बहुत अच्छी तरह से उसको एक्चुअली इम्प्लीमेंट करा पाओगे, और आप सच में देखोगे कि बच्चों में परिवर्तन आ रहा है, और बच्चों के परिवर्तन आएगा तो उनके पेरेंट्स में भी आएगा और आप उनको भी अच्छा लगेगा. Yes.
Some questions. पहले तो first congratulations Sanjay ji for joining. We
Oh
received
wow!
payment.
Congratulations.
Congratulations. We must clap for him. Congratulations.
Yes.
Some questions. Chitra wants to know a little bit more about coupon.
Yeah.
जो आप दे रही हैं, जो आज join करेंगे उनके लिए जो special offer है coupon का. She wants to know a little more about it.
Yeah. Yeah, you could have explained it.
So okay, let me explain. So basically जो आज ज्वाइन करेंगे उनके लिए आप कभी भी अपने भी किसी भी लव्ड वंस को, किसी भी अपने रिश्तेदार को, फ्रेंड्स को, फैमिली में किसी को भी सुचित्रा का एक 1-to-1 सेशन गिफ्ट कर सकते हैं सुचित्रा की साइड से. एंड इमेजिन ये इतनी प्राउड मोमेंट है किसी के लिए जब आपको एक इतनी एस्टीम टीचर से 1-to-1 सेशन आप गिफ्ट कर सकते हैं किसी को, जिसके लिए यूजुअली वो 2000 रुपीज चार्ज करती हैं. You can go to your family and friends saying हमारी तरफ से, और आप अगर जानते हैं उनकी लाइफ में कुछ स्ट्रेस है और वो रिलीव करना चाहते हैं, you as a well wisher can give this coupon. So जो आज ज्वाइन करेंगे they will get a personal coupon, coded coupon, जो आप कहीं भी यूज कर सकते हैं अपनी फैमिली या फ्रेंड्स के लिए, and it's a lifetime validity coupon. आपके फैमिली या फ्रेंड मेंबर्स जब भी उनको जरूरत लगे वो कूपन यूज कर सकते हैं. बट ये सिर्फ उन्हीं लोगों के लिए जो आज इस लिंक के थ्रू ज्वाइन करेंगे, बिकॉज हम उन्हीं को वो कूपन पर्सनलाइज करके आज दे पाएंगे ताकि कल तक उनके पास वो कूपन मिल जाए. सो अगर आप आज ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं तो वो कूपन आपके पास कल मेल में आ जाएगा. सो दैट इज द स्पेशल थिंग चित्रा wants to do, जो सब ज्वाइन करेंगे आज. और आप अपनी ये नॉलेज इन्फॉर्मेशन सबको फैला सकते हैं, और सुचित्रा अपनी तरफ से आपकी तरफ से अपनी तरफ से उनको एक पर्सनल सेशन देगी to educate them, to make their life more blissful and happy. So I think that's a wonderful thought, Suchitra,
Yes,
which you are giving to people.
Thank you.
So we've received payment from Bijal. Congratulations, Bijal. Congratulations
Bijal.
for joining. Another question, Hema wants to ask if we want to pay an installment. So Hema, if you can unmute yourself and tell what exactly do you want, and then we can answer that question. Hema is there?
Yeah, I can see that name somewhere.
Yeah.
Hema? Yeah, she's unmuted, but I cannot hear her.
Hema, can you unmute and talk, please? आपका क्या क्वेश्चन है, या आप चैट बॉक्स में डाल दीजिए. What exactly is your question? शेखर जी saying I am joining. शेखर जी, आप वो लिंक क्लिक कर दीजिए. हमें जैसे ही आप उस पर क्लिक करके पेमेंट करेंगे, we will get the information. Yes, Shweta, 6 month option is there. ये 6 month का ही special price है. In fact, Suchitra, you should tell everybody that अगर वो एक monthly option लेते, how much a low price you are giving, because अगर वो monthly लेंगे, you should tell them that how much is a special price that you work for your group.
Yeah, I thought it would become too expensive for them, so I did not mention. But anyway, should not be my decision. Let it be your decision. Yes, you can do it monthly, but then each month is 5,000 rupees. So you will end up paying 30. Why do you want to do that? So, and see, any of the yama niyama, let me tell you, it requires a different insight into each of this. I have no objection. You can pay monthly and join, but then each month you will be paying 5,000 each month, because that is the kind of course, and that is the kind of value that you will be getting. If you are paying it monthly, you can do that.
In fact, I would like to add कि जितने लोग अपने में invest करना चाहते हैं, I think हम लोग, we limit ourselves. We want to do things for ourselves, but हम action नहीं लेते. Today is a time that people should show that also an important thing where they want to take action, they want to bring a change. So let's see. A lot of people say I'm committed to bring a change. मैं अपनी life में change लाना चाहता हूँ, but बहुत ही कम लोग होते हैं जो action लेते हैं. So congratulations to all those people who have joined, the names that I have taken, and I'm looking forward to many more people. we will be on with this for another 10-15 minutes till the time that link is there. I'm waiting for more action takers to come and join and start the sessions from 16th. So Chitra, you must say something to motivate them. They are thinking. If you have any questions, please ask your questions.
I don't know. There might be some who may want to just learn the technique. In any case, yes, that first month is just learning the technique. So you want to go for that monthly option, you can pay for that first month, and you will yourself see how useful it is for you in life. And if you are a yoga practitioner, you will really want to go ahead and use it for understanding the rest of the yamas and niyamas also. So you can do that. If you are interested in learning the technique first and then continue, but I don't think it would be a very, very good idea for you. But well, the choice is of course yours. You can
Shekharji has written, I want to join. So is there any I can help you with something, Shekharji, in terms of link?
Tell us.
Because I'm not able to.
Not really, Shipra, actually. I'll be joining.
Okay.
Okay.
So congratulations to Chitra and Sanjay ji, whose payment has come, and I can see that they have joined. Congratulations for taking the investment in yourself. Congratulations.
Thank you. Welcome. Okay, because we begin on the 16th, so you have actually best time is to take your decision right now. But in case you still decide later on, you can still you can request for this link. You are all in the group. And, maybe Shipra, we could share the link in the group also.
If they don't want to give that coupon for their friends and families,
they will only be, yes, they will not get the coupon. That's all.
But I think that was a fabulous thing to give a gift session for anybody they love and they want them to get rid of.
Exactly.
I think that's the best gift you can. अब सबकी अपनी choice है, whoever decides.
नहीं, कभी-कभी hesitance होता है कि कैसे decision ले. So take your.
But any questions?
Yeah.
Before we close the session, any questions?
Yeah.
Just wanted to know that if I join for 1 month, by paying 5,000 rupees, and if I like, then at the end of the first month, will I have this option to pay 15 more and convert it into a full time?
Yeah, if you pay all the 15, then it's fine. Yes, you can do that.
So that way, at least one month, whether it's working for me or not, and if it is really working, then I probably can go for that.
1 month has to work. There is no other choice. But yes, you have to try it. You can't take it just as my word. Yes, you can do that. But if it is monthly, then it will become 30. But okay, because I know it is a new technique, so I'm making this special exception. Thanks for expressing this. So you can join for 1 month and master the technique at least.
And the link will remain the same for monthly payment also?
Monthly payment,
no, if
Shipra
you want,
has another link.
No. So I will just send another link for the 1 month payment. Just allow me a minute. I'll just paste the link. If you want to join for 1 month, I will paste a new link. This link is not for 1 month.
Yes.
I will just. Anybody else who's interested in the one month session?
Thank you so much.
So you can see I am pasting the 1 month payment link on the chat box. You can click here and you can pay from here. For Yogita as well, the 1 month payment option is given there.
Okay.
So whoever is interested in the 1 month, you can click on the new link that I've written. I've written 1 month payment. You can click here and join. That's for 5,000. So this link is live right now. This will be changing.
Yes.
So if any one of you is paying, please confirm on the chat box so that we can confirm if we have received the payment. So Yogita, if you have made the payment, can you please confirm? So I'm awaiting from Yogita and anybody else. So Chitra, anybody else who likes to pay for 1 month? I'll keep the link live.
I don't see any response just now.
Yogita wants to talk
quiet.
to you. Yogita, you can unmute yourself and talk. Ask your question.
Yes.
Okay, Shekhar has made payment for 1 month. Congratulations, Shekhar. Welcome.
Thank you.
Yes, I've received the payment from Mr. Shekhar Saini. Congratulations. Even we have received the, Shekhar Saini, that's right. We received your payment. Congratulations. Welcome to the first month of VCT session.
Thank you.
Chitra, your payment is already received. I already announced your payment is received.
Congrats, Chitra.
Sanjay ji's payment is received. Yogita, you can unmute yourself and ask your question.
Yes. Somehow my video is not starting. Okay,
No problem, but we can hear you.
Okay. मैम मुझे पूछना था कि अगर मैंने अभी 1 मंथ का पेमेंट कर दिया और सेकेंड मंथ से अगर मैं 15,000 पे करती हूँ तो मैं 6 मंथ ज्वाइन कर सकती हूँ ना?
यस.
ओके, क्योंकि मतलब मुझे थोड़ा सेटलमेंट करना है ना इसके लिए.
हाँ हाँ जरूर.
ओके, ठीक है. ओके, थैंक यू सो मच.
Rupender ji, I will request if you can pay today because ये 1 month का link हमने specially इस group के लिए आज live करा है. This link will not be there tomorrow. So because it's not for 6 months, it's that और इस group के लिए specially हमने ये 1 month का बनाया है अभी because that was not the idea. So my request is if you can pay it right now, we can close this link. And then you can avail the rest 5 months if you want. Anybody else who's making the payment till the link is live? So congratulations to all those people who have joined. I don't see any. Oh, Yogita is making the payment. Okay, Yogita, we'll wait. We'll wait for you. So while we are waiting for Yogita, anybody?
I want to just say something, Shipra.
Yes, please.
I think all these people who, when they are paying for 1 month, but if they join the rest of the 5 months, in time, means before they finish their 1 month. For all the remaining 5 months, they pay together and join. Then also the coupon facility, the gift coupon thing, bonus can be given to them.
Oh wow!
How about that?
You are
Wow,
really
wow.
wow,
Oh.
Suchitra. You
Thank
are
you.
That's
really
superb,
great.
superb.
Seriously.
Thank you,
I
ma'am.
mean,
Thanks a lot.
you have a big heart. You have really have a big.
नहीं, मुझे
I mean,
देना
giving
है,
it.
कोई लेने वाला चाहिए.
You have really a big heart. I mean,
Thank you.
you know, giving it to people कि आप free में sessions देंगे and they can give it to any family member. It's such a great thing to do because आजकल की life में सबको कितना stress है और एक best gift है जो कोई भी दे
Stress तो
सकता है.
सबको और ये लॉकडाउन से तो और ज्यादा बढ़ गया है.
So when I
Absolutely.
joined for 1 month, I was wondering that I will be losing on that
No.
coupons. And since you have, thanks a lot. Thanks a
You
lot.
have the best teacher.
Most
I
welcome.
think Suchitra believes in giving and giving, so people should not think so much. If you really are somebody जिसको अपना life में change लाना है, I think इतना सोचना is not showing commitment. It's not taking action.
I have been looking for such type of course for almost 20 years in my life. I never got one. So, I mean, there was no reason for me to leave it.
Yes. In fact, you know, the good thing is that just the InstaMojo link that we are giving, you can even convert your payments into an EMI option. So that is also a good thing. अगर किसी को कोई 6 months का pay कर रहा है, you can easily convert it.
Hello, ma'am. Hello.
Yes.
Ma'am, I am doing payment, but it is showing is 5,184 something. It is right?
Yes. The total amount will be 5,180.54.
Okay.
So meanwhile, we are waiting for Yogita. If there's anybody else who's making payment, please let us know. We'll keep the link live.
Rupinder, what is your question? Do you have anything? Okay, Rupinder is also doing it.
Okay.
You can
So we will wait.
Keep it live till then.
Sure. We'll wait for Rupinder and Yogita. And so we have a lot of people on the call. So if you can unmute yourself and ask your questions, we have so many people on the call. कोई भी आपको question है, this is the time. Before we log out, we are waiting for Rupinder and Yogita's
What is it that is holding
payment.
you back?
Yeah, what is that is holding you back? You're there, which means आप चाहते हैं, right? आपके दिल में है.
यानी
So
आपका
what
मन
is
है.
that? आपका मन है. And
क्या
Suchita is
सोच
so
रहे हो
kind.
बताओ.
हाँ, please
प्रश्न
बोलिए.
नहीं है तो आप बताओ आपके मन में क्या है. I can see Yukti Ramuka here, Malati Mohan, then I see Rene Sethi. Who else is there? Shipra, of course, that's you. Then there is Sanjay has taken, so he's also waiting to see who all are going to be with him.
Yes, Sanjay is there.
Chitra wants to also know.
Rupinder, Yogita, is it going through? Do you need any help?
One time password is not happening, so I'm confused for that only.
That will come on your phone, the mobile number.
Yes, I know, but
yes.
But what?
नहीं, yes, just received.
हाँ, वो थोड़ा time लगता है कभी कभार आने में.
Yes.
Network के हिसाब से कभी time लग जाता है.
Right. Yogita, are you facing any challenges?
No, just now confirm.
Okay.
Yes. It's done. I think so. It's done. I received your payment was successfully.
Okay, let me refresh my screen. So that is Yogita, right?
Yes.
And what about Rupinder? I'm just waiting. Yes, Yogita, your payment has come through. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Welcome, congratulations for taking that decision. Congratulations, Yogita. Now we are just waiting for Rupinder. Yes, Rupinder, your payment has also come through. Congratulations. So we have Yogita and Rupinder's payment just come in. So Suchitra, over to you. I think nobody else is making it.
I can say thank you all very, very much for being part of this little journey. And
thank you, ma'am.
Hopefully, we will make this world a better world with our contribution in this manner of maintaining emotional calm and changing our vrittis to the positive ones from the negative. Thank you all very, very much for being part of this journey with me. Thank you. And yes, I will be in touch with all of you who have joined. We will soon form a group and communicate about the timing on the 16th when we are going to begin. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Good night. Have a good sleep.
Good night. Good night, everybody. Good night.
Yes. Shipra, you want to say anything?
No. Thank you so much. Thanks, Suchitra. You're very kind. Thank you so much. I'm glad I could help. Good night.
I know, my God, you're a big help. Otherwise, it would become difficult to do both these things. Thank you so much. Thank you.
No problem.
Great.
मैम एक मिनट मैम हाँ इसका टाइमिंग क्या रहेगा
वही तो बोलती हूँ अपन कल ग्रुप बनाएंगे फिर उसके बाद में ग्रुप में फाइनलाइज करेंगे टाइम
क्योंकि 5 to 6 आई हैव ऑलरेडी क्लासेस तो
मतलब ठीक है ना वो सबका टाइमिंग एडजस्ट करके फिर अपन बनाएंगे टाइम
ओके चलो
थैंक यू told me already 5 to 6 you have classes so before that is possible no
okay हाँ
after that also is possible
yes thank you so much